Hello. And welcome to Coving Made Easy. You will need the following tools for installation. 1. A circular saw or a hand saw. 2. A tape measure. 3. A laser level which makes the installation easy. 4. A pencil or marker. 5. Coving glue, or adhesive. Open a pack of coving and look at the fitting instruction sheet. You need the measurements size of the coving you have. As you can see, my coving size is 80 mm by 80 mm. Once you have this measurement, you are ready for the next stage of installation. Step 1. Transfer measurements to the wall and ceiling. Starting from a corner, mark the ceiling with the measurement using a tape measure. And do the same on the wall as shown. Step 2. Using the laser level. Place the laser level on the floor and position the beam vertical along the corner and in level center of the marked measurements as shown. Step 3. Marking the coving. Place the coving in the corner in line with the marked measurements. Mark the coving along the laser line with a marker. Place a new piece of coving on the other side and mark the coving again with a marker. Don't forget to measure the length to join with the previous piece. Step 4. Cutting the coving. Cut along the line with a saw that you have at about 45-degree angle. Now you should have a cut piece that looks like this ready for fitting. Step 5. Fitting the coving. Apply the adhesive to the back flat edges of both pieces of the coving. Also apply to the edge of the installed coving to form a butt joint. Push gently the coving into place with the marked positions along the wall and ceiling, and wipe any adhesive that has been squeezed out. Here is the end result. Perfect cut angles with hardly any filling gaps. This method was applied to internal corners but works on external corners also in the same way. This is the fastest and most accurate way to cut and install PVC or plaster coving. There is no need for fancy complicated measurements with fancy coving cutting tools which don't work if your corner is not at a 90-degree angle. So this method is basically the best and totally foolproof. The only investment you need to make is to buy laser level and save money doing it yourself. There is nothing like this method on YouTube, and I hope this video will help the professional installers as well as the novice. I had been installing coving the hard way for many years prior to laser levels. When I bought my first laser level many years ago for a tiling job, I realized that it's great for coving installation too. If you found this video useful or it's taken out the mystery out of coving, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.